So this is an instruction video to explain how to put on one of our inflatables. We'll be using Sparky as an example. There's 3 pieces. We have our waist belt, which you would put on first, and then you put the battery on, and then once you get everything hooked up there, then we will put on Sparky, our inflatable. So 3 easy steps. First step is we put on the waist belt. Make sure that it's secure. Make sure it fits comfortably on your waist. That you have it in a comfortable position. Then once you get that on, the next thing we'll do is put on the battery. Battery goes over your head, under the shoulder. And then you connect that cord to the battery, connect the cables. And once you connect that, you will have power. In order to turn this on, there will be a switch, a blower, that you will press the button, which you can hear it blowing. So here's the button right there. That's the button you will press. Once you have that together, now you're ready to put on our inflatable. So we'll put Sparky on. The easiest way to do it is to start by putting the feet on first. Down by the feet, there are straps that you will fit your foot in. And you'll know exactly what I'm talking about if you ever have to put one of these on. Put your foot inside the straps and they'll be Velcro to make sure that your feet are secure. You'll do this on each side. And right here, as you can see, there's an exhaust port. This exhaust port right here, once you get inside, you will take the exhaust from the blower and connect that to the inside, which will help put air inside the inflatable. Okay, so it all Velcro together. Okay, the next step, put the inflatable on. And once you get on and zipped up, you'll turn on the button and the air will pressurize on the inside. And as you can see, Sparky will start to fill up with air. And now you're ready to go. Kids love Spanner. I said Sparky, but Spanner. All right, so once that's done, you are complete and ready to have some fun. And the same steps will be taken to use Firefighter Freddy as well. And that is it.